Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube mini player not working on PC. So first step that you're going to do is you're going to ensure that you're signed into YouTube and using a supported browser. So one of the browsers that is clearly supported and surely supported is Google, Opera, and Safari if you're using. But of course, you cannot access it from the Windows. You can only access it from Apple. Now, you're going to have to clear your browser cache or cookies as well. You're going to disable browser extensions that might interfere like ad blockers. So this one you can see here, I have an ad blocker. So we're going to have to make sure that we pause it on this side just so that it won't interrupt with the YouTube policies and regulations. Now, after that, you're going to head over to this three dots right here at the top right of your screen. And then from there, you're going to click on delete browsing data, or you can also delete cache from the settings, but that's going to take long. So I suggest that you just click on delete browsing data and you're just going to click on delete data. You're going to have to make sure that cached images and files is checked, as well as cookies and other data. And then you're just going to click on delete data. Now, after that, you're going to make sure that your browser is updated. Try a different browser to see if the issue persists. Now, on YouTube, while a video is playing, you can just click on the mini player icon or right-click mini player to activate it. Now, if you're using VPN or some network restriction, make sure that you disable them to test if they're interfering, as well as the ad blockers. The ad blockers are very much important that you disable them because it may be the reason why the YouTube mini player is not working on your side. Now, here's a tip for you. If the feature still fails, just check YouTube's help forums. Sometimes the feature is temporarily disabled or limited by YouTube depending on region or device. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.